Possessive Pronouns, brought to you by Mrs. Kohana's class.
Hi guys, combining two things we've done recently, possessives and pronouns. So today we're looking at pronouns that show possession, that show ownership. If you have not yet turned to page 132 in your grammar book, please take a moment to do that right now. Go ahead and pause the video and get there and meet me at the skill reminder box. Alright, I'm going to let you read that skill reminder on your own today. It tells about a possessive pronoun and how it shows ownership, and it gives a list of them: my, your, her, our, and their. And then it gives a list of other possessive pronouns that are not used before a noun, and those are mine, yours, hers, ours, and theirs. His and its can be either one. Would you pause the video right now and please read through that skill reminder box on your own? Thanks. Alright, a good thing to remember is when you turn back to the skill reminder is that you can find a list of those words. Also, when we do the cumulative review each week on Fridays, you can always turn back to your skill reminder box, find the section that's talking about the assignment that they're giving you, and reread that skill reminder to help you remember how to do those problems. Alright, so for numbers 1 through 5, it's very simple this week. All you have to do is identify the possessive pronoun in each sentence. Make sure the pronoun that you're choosing is showing ownership. So on your paper, you're simply going to write the word that is that possessive pronoun. So for number 1, Franklin turned on his computer. Well, his lets me know who the computer belongs to. So his is the possessive pronoun. You're going to do numbers 2 through 5 the same way. In numbers 6 through 10, they've given you a choice of 2 pronouns. You have to choose the one that works in that sentence. So here we go, number 6. Do you know where you left yours textbook? Or do you know where you left your textbook? This time, hopefully, your ears are going to give you the right answer. So on your page, if you were doing number 6, you would write your. All right, please do 2 through 5 and 7 through 10. Pause this video and come on back and check it. All right, here we go. Numbers 2 through 5. I circled the correct answer. See if that matches. Go ahead and pause it if you need to. And then numbers 6 through 10, I did the same thing. Go ahead and pause it if you need to check that. The grading scale is as follows: -0, lights please, is an A. Oops, -0 or 1 is an A, -2 is a B, -3 is a C, -4 is a D, and -5, well, we know what that is. Alrighty, let's take a look at the next page, page 133. Again, just identifying the possessive pronouns, those pronouns that show ownership. Number 1 I'll do for you. 2 through 8 you go ahead and do on your own paper, on your slate if you don't have, if you have one. It says, join my team, your future is in space. So on my slate I write number 1 and I write the possessive pronouns, and the first one is my, and there is another one, and that's your. So if you'll please go ahead and do numbers 2 through 8. Pause the video. When you get done, turn it back on and you can check your work. Thanks. And here we are. You'll notice that several of the sentences have more than one verb in them. More than one pronoun. All right, thanks. Pause that video if you need to. 12 points on this. So 0 or 1 is an A, -2 is a B, -3 is a C, -4 is a D, -5 or more, not good. All right, guys, thanks a lot, and we'll see you again next week.